In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a cover photo to your Google Business profile, a task you can easily complete in about 5 minutes. Adding a cover photo is a great way to enhance your business's profile and make it look more professional. Let's dive in and get started. First, navigate to business.google.com. This is where you can manage various aspects of your Google Business profile. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the sign in button. Click on it to proceed. If it's your first time signing in, you'll need to use the Gmail account associated with your business. If you've logged in before, you'll be automatically directed to your Google Profile Manager. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is straightforward. Choose the business profile you wish to edit. If you have multiple business profiles, ensure you select the correct one. Click on See Your Profile to view your business's dashboard. Alternatively, if you find it more convenient, you can go directly to Google and search for your business name or simply type My Business. After hitting enter, look for your business name in the search results and select View Profile to return to your dashboard. Now within your Google Business dashboard, it's time to add your new photo. Start by selecting Add Photos. This is where you can manage the visual appearance of your profile. Here you'll see an option to add a cover photo. Click on this option. You can upload a photo by either dragging your chosen image into the upload area or selecting one from your computer files. Ensure that the image you select represents your business well and adheres to any size or quality recommendations given by Google. Once you've uploaded your photo, patience is key. It might take a few minutes before the image appears on your business page. Google needs to verify the image first. During this brief waiting period, you may notice a pending icon on your image, indicating that the verification process is ongoing. And there you have it. Your cover photo should soon be live on your Google Business profile, providing a fresh, appealing visual that helps your business stand out. A well-chosen cover photo can make a big difference in how potential customers perceive your business, so it's worth taking the time to select an image that truly reflects the essence of your company. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your new cover photo. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Until next time, happy managing.